Welcome dear friends. Today I am sharing you JAWS internet setting through 4 ways. The first way is voice call or calling by triple one. You will call the helpline and they will send you internet configuration. Simply install that. The rest 3 are text based, so choose the best one through which you can fix your configuration of internet of JAWS. Let's watch it on the screen. Now afterwards the first text based method is being started. Simply you are watching on my mobile and your phone and JAWS 2 SIMs are available. So simply I go and *443*6# and send it to JAWS. They will send you the configuration and resultantly you will simply see that on 4 internet setting is available and you will press from your keyboard 4, send it to JAWS. Next is through SMS. Second method, go to SMS, open it and simply type 7342 and write GPRS, send it from your JAWS SIM, which is my SIM 2. They will send you a file which you will click and simply that needs installation, so your internet problem would be resolved. You will simply see that they have already SMSed me. This is the file which needs to be installed. Third method is the most important. So now if you see that if you have dual SIM, simply go to your setting, mobile network and go to SIM management and change the data default SIM. Not set, this is the first step, so we may have control over our first SIM, second SIM. Now you are watching that 2 SIMs are again available. Now we will start our own configuration work. Simply come to mobile network setting, SIM management and change the SIM you need to get data from it, which is SIM 2 related to JAWS. Mobile data. And now simply go down and we will on and off 4G button. It's not necessary, but it's almost give you benefit each and every time. Preferred network system is the first option, LTE WCDMA auto. APN system access network point. Now you are watching that 4 dots available. I simply click it, new APN. This is complete configuration and which will 100% work. First one, name, it's JAWS internet. Type it and OK. Next is APN. Remember, no space and all small letter must be written. JAWS connect.mobilinkworld.com. If you see that it have made the J to big alphabet as well as space has also been created in between JAWS and connect, so we will remove this. Now I remove the J, press this option and now small letter has been typed. But you can see that space in JAWS and connect is still available. Now you can watch the upper and lower configuration. So we are again going to fix it. Click it and now we will simply click at the back of the C and press backspace. Now it's perfectly right. JAWS connect mobilinkworld.com. It's done. Next is after APN we will proceed. It's the correct address. You must be careful. MCC is 410 and MNC is 01. Now let's go ahead for authentication type, which is PAP. Click it. APN protocol, APN roaming protocol, IPv4 and APN type. Remember, do very care default, SULP. No spell mistake or no space is required in between these two words. Click on OK, and now we will have done. Let's check the barrier, unspecified, OK, and above check mark, and now select the lower one, and it's done. Your internet configuration has been completed. You are watching that mobile is working. Thanks for watching, and please share my video.